ikaw ay makipag-usap sa ating presidente. Palagay natin presidente ng Pilipinas sa isang oras, ano ang gusto mong pag-usapan o i-discuss? What would you discuss?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If I will be given a chance to speak with our president, what would be my question? Or what will be the topic that I will talk into? Actually, there is no topic that I would like to open up with the president. I just would like to say, you're doing your great job. Because it's not about the government for you to be able to have a good life in the future. It's you. It's only yourself that who will help you and who will uplift your life, not the government. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10. Ayan. At ang susunod, candidate number 11.